I'll solve this by the second method. Second method, a little bit easier and shorter. The question is this: what kind of triangle is OAB? And find if OC is a median on AB at C. Prove vectorially that vector OC is perpendicular to vector AB. Solution: this is a circle, O is the center, AB is a chord, OA is a median. How to prove OC is perpendicular to AB? Their dot product is 0. Here O is the center of a circle, OA equal OB being radii of the same circle. So OAB is an isosceles triangle being two sides equal. दुईटा भुजा बराबर भएमा समद्विबाहु त्रिभुज भनिन्छ. OA equal OB radii. So OAB is an isosceles triangle. To prove what an OC is a median. OC is a median on AB at C. To prove, this is given. To prove OC is perpendicular to AB. How to prove it? Proof. What is the value of OA? OC को value हेर्नु त. OC equal के हुन्छ? OC भने OA plus AC. OA plus AC. Triangle law of vector addition. OA AC भनेको minus BC पनि हुन्छ. Or OC, or you can put in another way. OC, or if you don't want to use this triangle law, or if you want to make it a little bit shorter, slightly shorter, you know one theorem. OC equal half OA plus OB, because this is also equal to this midpoint theorem. This equal this, this equal this. You can directly use the midpoint theorem. यसको midpoint हो त यो इक्वल यो हुँदा यो चाहिँ के हुनुभयो? आइसोसेलेस ट्रायंगलमा चाहिँ you can write OC equal half of OA plus OB using the midpoint formula. हेर्नु त यो भ्यालु चाहिँ यो प्लस यो अपन 2 हुन्छ. Using midpoint formula in triangle OAB. OC equal half OA plus OB. Another, what is the value of AB? AB equal AO plus OB. AO plus OB. But AO and OB are equal and opposite. How to take the dot product? AO can be written as minus OA plus OB, because AO and OA are equal and opposite. Now this can be written as OB vector minus OA vector. What kind of triangle is OAB? Isosceles triangle, because OA equal OB, isosceles triangle. OC is a median. To prove OC is perpendicular to AB, कसरी देखाउने त भन्दाखेरि डट प्रोडक्ट अफ OC and AB is 0. डट प्रोडक्ट 0 देखाउने. Now again, what is OC? Taking dot product, we get a very long method in our only shortcut. OC dot AB. What is the value of OC? Half OA plus OB. Using the midpoint. Your यसको भ्यालु र यसको भ्यालु यो चाहिँ यो मिड पोइन्ट छ नि, यो मिड पोइन्ट भएको हुनाले यो चाहिँ मिड पोइन्ट थियो भने व्हाट इज द भ्यालु अफ AB? AB OB minus OA. OB minus OA from equation number 1 and 2. OB यसलाई अगाडि ल्याउनु पाइन्छ. OA plus OB. OB vector plus OA vector dot OB minus OA equal half A plus B into A minus B. A square minus B square. OB square minus OA square. OB square minus OA square. When you square a vector, it becomes scalar. Half OB square minus OA square. The square of a vector is a scalar. Half into OB square minus OA square equals 0. Why? Because OA equal OB numerically OA and OB are equal. All are radii. Therefore, OB square minus OA square is now a scalar quantity, and OB square minus OA square equals 0. Half into 0 is 0. It means or OC dot AB equal 0. Therefore, OC is perpendicular to AB at C. Proved. OAB is a special type of triangle, isosceles triangle, because OA equal OB. OC is a median on AB at C. OA equal OB. यो दुईटा ट्रायंगलमा हामीले के देख्न सक्छौं? यदि यो र यो साइड इक्वल छ भने यो इक्वल जस्तो ABC मा दुईमा OD इक्वल हाफ AB प्लस AC देखाउन मिल्छ using the midpoint formula. OC equal OA plus OB upon 2. एउटा यो देखाउने OC भ्यालु हाफ OA plus OB, अर्को AB equal AO plus OB. Taking the dot product OC dot AB, OA plus OB dot OB minus OA. Because AC, AO and OA are equal and opposite. A plus B, A minus B. Vector OB whole square minus vector OA whole square. OB square minus OA square. OB and OA are equal. Therefore, half into 0, 0. Dot product of OC and AB is 0. Therefore, OC is perpendicular to AB at C. This यसलाई नि कम्पलसरी म्याथमा देखाउनु पर्यो भने यसरी देखाउँ, हामी देखाउन सक्छौं. कम्पलसरी म्याथमा यस्तो हुन्छ यो OAP C math लिनेहरुले चाहिँ this equal this side equal OA equal OB radii, OC equal OC common side, AC equal BC given. These two triangles are congruent. Congruent भएपछि यो एंगल इक्वल यो एंगल हुन्छ, तर this plus this equal 180 हुन्छ भन्नाले यो एंगल कति कति हुने भयो? यो स्ट्रेट एंगल, यो स्ट्रेट यो र यो इक्वल पनि हुन्छ, सम 180 हुन्छ भन्नाले 90 90 हुने भयो. This angle is 90, this angle is 90 degree. Therefore, OC is perpendicular to AB. यो भयो C म्याथ को ज्योमेट्रीमा देखाउने. तर यहाँनेरि चाहिँ भेक्टोरियली देखाउनको लागि OC is perpendicular to AB देखाउनलाई OC को भ्यालु निकाल्ने हाफ ओए प्लस ओबी, एबी को भ्यालु निकाल्ने एओ प्लस ओबी, डट प्रोडक्ट निकाल्ने एओ भनेको माइनस ओए, डट प्रोडक्ट 0 देखाउने, डट प्रोडक्ट 0 देखाएपछि ओसी र एबी आपसमा परपेन्डिकुलर हुन्छन्।